Our latest RC360Pro3 model hosts now. It supports wireless CarPlay and installs auto. Also received an increasing number of likes from friends, currently facing a small issue. Sometimes when you power on the computer, login info may show on screen. Main interface inaccessible. What's the actual reason? This host is this generation of host. It's a split host composed of two. It needs to be plugged in like this behind it for operation. We have numerous factory and Android machines, including the table host. Many machines are like this. So this host has one last issue. During transportation, after we repair it, there is a possibility that it may break. This may cause loose connection for this interface. So everyone still needs to work hard. Unscrew this screw. First, unplug the device and then plug it back in. Next, fix these 4 screws securely in place once again. After fixing it, then this problem with this host basically solved. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.